comfortable life that we live today is a contribution of many great minds and their sacrifices. Right from electricity, television, and internet, we all owe our lives to the people who have spent sleepless nights to make this happen. Many such inventors have become famous and have made their name eternal in human history. For instance, Thomas Edison invented electric bulb. Graham Bell invented telephone, so on and so forth. However, history has not been kind to everyone. There are many people whom we have forgotten with the time. Today, we will look at one such forgotten legend, Nikola Tesla. Nikola Tesla was born in Austrian Empire in 1856, which is modern-day Croatia. There is very interesting story about his birth. When he was born, it was midnight in the middle of lightning storm. The midwife who helped in his delivery said that it is a bad omen and he will be child of darkness. However, Tesla's mother rubbished this, saying that he will be child of light. No wonder Tesla later got fascinated with electricity. He was really bright as a student, but he got addicted to gambling during later years and spent most of his tuition fees on it. After completing his education, he worked in a couple of organizations. His life changed when Theodore Puskas got him a job in Continental Edison Company in Paris in 1882. This company was owned by the famous Thomas Edison. 2 years later, his manager in Edison Company, Charles Batchelor, recommended his name to Thomas Edison, and Thomas asked Charles to bring him to United States. Tesla got really excited to work with Edison. However, few months after working in Edison's Manhattan office, he decided to quit. While there are no confirmed reports on why he quit, but according to Tesla's biographer, Edison promised him to pay a good bonus, but later refused to honor his promise. This left Tesla furious. Tesla started his own company called Tesla Electric Light and Manufacturing with the help of few investors. However, the investors were not fully convinced with Tesla's alternating current concept, and they left the project midway. Tesla was devastated by this. He was now broke and had no money to pursue his dream. He started doing petty jobs in order to meet his daily needs. In 1886, he met Alfred Brown and Charles Peck, who helped him form another new company called Tesla Electric. Tesla was able to develop an induction motor on alternate current. This invention caught attention of George Westinghouse, the owner of Westinghouse Electric and Manufacturing Company. Tesla Electric Company struck a deal with Westinghouse, and according to it, Tesla's company would receive a royalty for every motor manufactured. There was a lot of competition during that time between Westinghouse, Edison, and Thomson Houston. The latter two companies merged to form a new company called GE, or General Electric. Westinghouse was struggling financially and could not afford to pay guaranteed royalty to Tesla anymore. After learning about this, Tesla tore the contract because he felt he owed a lot to Westinghouse because they supported him when no one did. Tesla was a man of principles and money never really excited him.